Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through CSS backgrounds. The CSS background properties are used to add background effects for elements. By the way, for this video I'm gonna use VS Code as my code editor, and if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos based on Visual Studio Code and find the links in the description below. And I'm also using this index.html, and let me show you how it looks. And this is what we have in our index.html. Alright, now you can add background color to your web page. Just go to your head tag, and inside head tag I'm gonna add style tag. Let me lowercase that, and within and inside style tag I'm gonna type selector, that gonna be body, and curly braces. Within curly braces I'm gonna type background color property, and it can be burly wood. It's safe. Now let's add a couple of elements inside body tag, div, and I'm gonna type in here, this is a text inside div tag, and after that I'm gonna take a paragraph tag, and within paragraph tag I'm gonna type some lorem. Let me word wrap my editor, and let's shorten this lorem. Hit save. Now let's add color to our these elements. First I'm gonna add a color to h1, some curly braces, and background color to be blue, and also I'm gonna add a color to our div tag, curly braces, background color would be coral, and then I'm also gonna add a color to our paragraph tag, background color to be corn silk. Hit save. You can also play with the opacity of your background colors. Let's say this div, I'm gonna type in here. By the way, the opacity property specifies the opacity or transparency of an element. It can take a value from 0.0 to 1.0. The lower value, the more transparent. Let's add here opacity, and value would be 0.3. Hit save, and just observe this div tag. Now let's add an image to our background. Let's go to our body selector, and I'm gonna delete this line of code from here and type in here background image and URL, and inside, and I'm gonna give URL of my pattern burn image. I've got an image in my source folder. Here is an image, and let's copy the relative URL of this image and paste it in here. Hit save. Here we have got a very bad combination of text and background image. The text is hardly, this text I'm talking about, readable, hardly readable. So when using a background image, use an image that does not disturb the text. The background image can also be set for specific elements like paragraph, this div, or any element. Let me add this image to, let's cut it from here and paste it inside div style. Hit save. Alright. Now let me undo that. And if you see, this image is actually repeating itself. If you see this line here, in such situation you can add another property, background repeat, and here I'm gonna select no repeat to avoid this background repeat. Hit save. Let's maximize your browser and let's change the position of this image with background position tag. Let's type in here background position, and I'm gonna type in here right and top. Hit save. And now if I maximize, the image is shifted to the right and top. Now I'm also gonna add a couple of lorem here. Let's copy this tag here and paste it here various times. Let's copy this whole code and paste it here. Hit save. Now if I scroll down, image is still there, and you can also fix your image. Just go back to your body selector and type in here background attachment and select fixed. Hit save. Now if I scroll it down, the image stays there, and by default it is always scroll. Now if I scroll down, and it stays there. You can also shorten all of this code in one single line. Just get rid of it and type in here background and colon. After colon, I'm gonna give a color, can be red, semicolon. Hit save. And you can add up the properties. Let's say URL, and within URL I'm gonna select pattern 1. Hit save. And you can also specify here no repeat as well as right and top. Hit save. Alright, sorry. Just select this line of code from here and cut it from here and paste it here. Now hit save. When using the shorthand property, the order of the property values is background color, background image, then repeat or no repeat, then attachment, and then background position should be specified. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.